Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle still has fewer than 200,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take a closer look at this striking Chevrolet Avalanche, the full-size utility vehicle that blends pickup capability with SUV comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Style and function blend beautifully in this can-do Avalanche. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.